Today, we are diving into the world of game apps and other apps that pay you real money. You heard me right. You can actually make some cash by playing games. And just so you know, there is this app called app.com. Yes, it's actually a user-friendly app that gives you money when you play games. All you need to do is create an account and start playing games, input your personal details, create a profile, and you know what? It is available worldwide. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super exciting that we're diving into. We're diving into 10 legit websites that pay you daily. Yes, so if you're looking to earn some extra cash on your own schedule, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Before we get started, guys, there is a giveaway at the end of today's video, so watch all the way till the end. If you're new here, like and subscribe, join the family, and yes, let's get right into it. First app on my list here is called Swagbox. Yes. This site rewards you for doing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal or gift cards, and many users actually report getting paid every single day. The next app on my list here is called Inbox Dollars. Yes, similar to Swagbox, it pays you to read emails. Yes, this app pays you to read emails, take surveys, and play games. The best part, you get a $5 bonus just for signing up, and you can request payments through checks or gift cards, and many users receive their payments within a day. The next one on my list here is Fiverr. Yes, coming in at number 3 is Fiverr. If you have a skill, whether it's graphic design or writing or voiceovers, you can create a gig and start earning money. While payment typically takes a few days to process, you can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. The next one here is Upwork. Yes, Upwork is another great platform for freelancers. You can find jobs in writing, design, programming, and much more. Payments vary by clients, but many of them offer daily or weekly payment options. Go ahead and build your profile and start applying for gigs to earn money on your own terms. So guys, the next one here is usertesting.com. Yes, user testing is a website that pays you to test websites and apps and provide feedback. Each test typically takes around 20 minutes and the payout is great. Payments are processed quickly, and this makes it a great way to earn money on the go. The next one here is Mechanical Turk. Yes, Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's also called the M-Turk. This platform offers micro tasks that anyone can complete, like data entry or surveys. You can work whenever you want to, and while payments can vary, many tasks pay out quickly. The next one on my list here is Rakuten. Yes, Rakuten, in case you're wondering, what is Rakuten? I've not even heard that before. Rakuten is the cashback website that pays you for shopping online, and you can earn money daily by shopping at your favorite retailers through their links. Payments are sent out quarterly, but the daily cashback accumulates real quick. Yes, and the next one on my list here is TaskRabbit. Yes, so at number 8, we have TaskRabbit. This platform connects you with people in your area who need help with tasks like cleaning, moving, or handiwork. You set your own rates and schedules, and you can get paid the same day you complete a task. Guys, the next app here is called Steady. Steady is a great app for finding side gigs and odd jobs that pay well. You can browse local and remote jobs, and many of them offer daily payment options. Plus, it helps you track your earnings and also find new opportunities. The next app here is Field Agents. Yes, this app pays you to complete simple tasks like checking prices at stores or taking photos of displays. Payments are made directly to your PayPal accounts within a few days. Besties, there you have it, 10 legitimate websites that pay you daily with no experience required. So whether you want to complete tasks online or help people in your local community, these platforms, they offer a great way to earn money on your schedule. Yes, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more money making tips, and let me know in the comments which site you are excited to try. Which one are you going to be trying today? Let me know in the comments. So besties, we have come to the juicy part of today's video. I will be giving away $100 cash gifts right here. It's waiting for you. It's all yours. This is your money. So what you need to do is this: join my Telegram community. Find the link in the description as well as in the comments. And you know what? Once you perform the task, I will transfer this money to you. Yes, through my phone, right? You get it through your phone or through your device or through your TV. I don't know what device you're using to watch me right now. So yes, all you need to do is join my Telegram community and then add 50 people into my Telegram community. Adding 50 people means sending the links to 500 people or 1,000 people. And 10% of 500 is 50. 5% of 1,000 is 50. if you're able to get 5% of 1,000 people or 10% of 500 people to join, this money is waiting for you. Yes, this money is waiting for you, and I'm going to send it to you through Zelle or Cash App, Venmo or PayPal, or even Western Union money transfer. Yes, I will transfer this fund to you. So go ahead and start adding people into my Telegram community, and of course that is about it. Guys, if you have any question for me, please do well to let me know in the comments, and check out my previous videos. Yes, check out my previous videos. There are videos that I've made that share with you. I mean, in those videos I shared how rich people give away money for free. Yes, I have those videos on my channel, so make sure that you don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on all these opportunities. Go and start applying today. I mean, you never know. Go ahead and start applying for these opportunities today, and yes, you can be on your way to making good money. So besties, if you're new to this channel, please, by all means, I'd like to know you're me too. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, please, you guys, I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. Please introduce yourself. While you're introducing yourselves as a first timer here, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, you know, it's all about adding value to you guys. It's all about bringing juicy information that helps you become the best version of yourself. I even made a video on how to get ahead of 99% of your peers. There are things that I don't struggle with, that I find a lot of people struggling with, like time management, for instance, like setting your goals and achieving them, like having self-discipline, having self-control. See, when you have mastered the art of self-control, you can win anything in life. When you master the art of self-control, when your body is no longer controlling you, like, you know, falling into temptation, sleeping when you should not be sleeping, walking when you should be walking. I mean, when you're not just idle and lazy, you're not able to take charge of things. You know, this is something that you really need to work on. I made a video on how to get ahead of 99% of your peers. Make sure that you watch it. Just go on my channels and search for the video and watch it. It's going to change your life. And please forward my videos to all your friends and besties, people that you want to see grow and be successful like you. You know, go ahead and check out my previous videos. I promise you there's something for everyone. You're going to learn something on this channel, no matter how little. So go ahead, digest the information I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. And I promise you the sky is just the starting point. And that is it, guys, for today. If you have any question for me, or you're struggling with something, you've been rumbling about a particular thing, let's rub minds in the comments. Let me know what you need help with. If you need help with, you know, making a choice about maybe business or career or education, I got you. Yes, I have a wealth of experience that I can share with you guys. Yes, in my comment section. You guys you're my besties now. We're family. You know, so yes, if you have not joined the family yet, my God is watching you. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button, like today's video, and do well to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Turn on the notification bell. Turn on your notification bell so that every single time I drop a new video on this channel, you're not missing out. You're among the first to get notified of it. And that is it, guys, for today. Thank you all so much for watching all the way till the very end. I'm your girl Miriam, and in case someone has showed you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and God bless you, and bye for now.